Common skin conditions. In a world filled with various dermatological diseases, it's essential to understand the conditions that can affect our skin and seek proper care. Today, we delve into the world of dermatological diseases and explore their causes, symptoms, and available treatments. First, let's explore a common skin condition: acne. Acne affects millions of people worldwide, typically during adolescence. It occurs when hair follicles become clogged with oil and dead skin cells, leading to the formation of pimples, blackheads, or whiteheads. While proper cleansing and acne treatments can help manage the condition, severe cases may require dermatological intervention. Next, we turn our attention to eczema, a chronic inflammatory skin condition. Eczema is characterized by dry, itchy, and inflamed patches of skin. It can be triggered by various factors, such as genetics, allergies, or environmental irritants. Moisturizers, topical corticosteroids, and lifestyle modifications can provide relief and prevent flare-ups for those living with eczema. Psoriasis, another prevalent dermatological disease, manifests as raised, red patches covered with silvery scales. It occurs due to an overactive immune system, causing rapid skin cell turnover. While there's no cure for psoriasis, treatments such as topical creams, phototherapy, and systemic medications can effectively manage symptoms and improve quality of life. Moving on, let's discuss vitiligo, a condition that results in the loss of skin color. Vitiligo occurs when the melanocytes, the cells responsible for skin pigmentation, are destroyed or cease to function. While there's no definitive cure, treatments like topical corticosteroids, phototherapy, and depigmentation can help even out the skin tone and manage the condition. Lastly, we explore skin cancer, a serious dermatological disease. Skin cancer occurs when skin cells undergo abnormal growth, often triggered by excessive sun exposure or genetic factors. Early detection is crucial, and regular skin examinations, self-checks, and protection from harmful UV rays are vital for prevention. Treatments range from surgical removal to radiation therapy or targeted therapies, depending on the type and stage of cancer. Dermatological diseases may pose challenges, but with proper understanding, early intervention, and expert care, we can manage and overcome these conditions. Remember, healthy skin leads to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel and let us know how you rank my videos.